On this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to speed up a Windows computer. First, let's open up the Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape button at the same time. Under the Performance tab, you will see my CPU information. I have a Core i5 processor with a speed of 3.3 GHz roughly. And this computer has an uptime of 6 days and 5 hours. Usually, if the computers are up for longer period of time, the update wouldn't have gone through. So make sure you restart your computer very often for the Windows updates to go through. Let's get started. First, we're going to remove all unnecessary files from this Windows computer. For that, click on the Start and type Disk Cleanup. Click on the Disk Cleanup application. Select all the options available under Disk Cleanup and click OK. This will delete all the unnecessary files from your machine. Right now, I'm cleaning up only my C drive. You can do it for all the drives available on your computer. Next, open up the temporary folder. Press the Windows key and letter R to open up Run and type %temp% and hit OK. This will open up your temporary folder. Select all the files with Ctrl and letter A and hit Delete. Delete all the files available inside this folder, and you can skip the files that are currently in use. That way, you can remove all the temporary files on your computer. Then open up your Task Manager again by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. This time, select the Startup tab and disable all the applications that you don't need to run during the startup process of your computer. Most of the applications like Cortana, OneDrive, and some other applications that you don't use in day-to-day basis can be disabled from this menu. Disabling these applications on your startup process can speed your computer's entire processing speed. Next step is to make sure that your computer has a proper antivirus program. I've installed ESET Endpoint Antivirus on this computer. This endpoint application will prevent all malware attacks and also remove all the malwares from your computer to speed up your computer's process. Make sure you scan your computer very often to remove all the malwares stored inside your computer. Also, make sure your endpoint antivirus program is up to date. ESET Endpoint current version is 9.0.2. Finally, cookies and temporary files stored in your web browser can also slow your computer process. If you are a web surfer, you would have stored a lot of cookies and temporary files on your browser. Please make sure you clean up your download history, browsing history, and cookies from your browser. For that, open up your browser, go to Settings, and under the Settings, select Security and Privacy and click on Clear Browser History. You can select All-Time History and select the first 4 options available and click on Clear Data. This will clean up your browsing history, download history, cookies, and all temporary files on your browser. Well guys, I hope my video will help you to speed up your computer process. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't forget to comment, and please subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Till I see you on next videos, it's peace out from Arshad. Have a wonderful day.